Potatoes. So here we have a Yukon Gold on our left, also known as a yellow potato, and the classical russet potato on our right. Now you always want to check for firmness and major bruising. We'll start with our russet, and first I want to begin slicing all sides of the potato. And these scraps here you can use in a soup or fry them as well. We'll then slice into tranches. I'll stack these tranches up, and you want to make sure you have the larger tranches on the bottom and the smaller ones on top, following the shape of the potato before you sliced it. We'll then cut into a bâton. And here we have our beautiful French fries. We can also cut into a large dice, which are perfect deep fried, or sauteed with some garlic and topped with Parmesan and parsley. Now here we have our Yukon Gold, which are best for mashed potatoes, gratin, and the dauphinoise. Now the first thing we want to do is peel our Yukon. So while holding your peeler, place your thumb at the bottom of the potato and begin to peel. Next, I'll slice right down the middle and then into quarters. I'll then cut into a large dice, perfect when simmering for a potato puree. We can also slice thinly, which is great to use in a dauphinoise. And there's our potatoes broken down.